totem. How y'all doing? I'm Forget Homo, who lives in the trash can. And that is my name. Who are you?
My name is Toss.
I'll make out with you if you want.
No.
And you know you.
No, it's good.
I'll give you this if we make out with you.
No. Give me chocolate milk.
Your chocolate milk?
No.
Do you want this back?
No. I found it in a dumpster. Dumpster.
I'll give you some chocolate milk if you want to make out with you.
Dumpster. No. Come here. Come here. Come here. Give me a ponytail.
Don't touch the unlimited foot.
Give me your ponytail.
You will never have my ponytail.
You've got one sideburn.
I know. 'Cause I'm super cute.
I can talk Japanese.
Can I speak?
Hi.
Not soon.
Sorida.
You want the stick, boy?
No.
You want the stick? Do you want the stick?
No. I refuse to let you be on camera. Oh, darn. Look what you did. Hands. The gun eye. That's on the screen. Go get it. Don't even think about it.
What's your name?
I'm fixing this.
What's your name?
I don't have a name. He doesn't have a name.
Hey,
Sorida.
don't hit me.
Sorida. Don't grab me.
Have ninja fast reflexes. You know, like, hands guy. Not cute.
Yeah. Let me fight him. Come on, let's go. You want to fight? I'll bite your gizzard out. I'll cut your gizzard out.
To cut my gizzard out, I'd have to let go of you.
Can you let go of
Oh, well, if you let me let go of you,
me? No.
then no. Hey, hey. I'll slap. Okay? No. No.
Sorida.
Bad.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
Fine to whatever you said. I got yours time. I learned that from Allah's. Now give me your ponytail.
No.
Let me go.
You bone it yet? Come get it.
Sorida.
You missed.
We're experiencing some technical difficulties. Give me the alligator lizard plastic thing. I'm not supposed to be in this. I wasn't in this. What the heck? This is supposed to be children eyes.